Dear students, Namaste. Let us discuss today's new online topic from the subject Human Anatomy and Physiology for the first year diploma pharmacy students. We already discussed the different type of systems like cardiovascular system, then respiratory. These all are the as per the syllabus according to PC. These all are the topics for the study. So now what do you mean by respiratory system? What are the different components of the respiratory system? Let us discuss one by one in this topic. So what is the learning outcomes for the today's topic? First one, students should be able to define the different terminologies used in respiration. Second, explain the mechanism or physiology of the process of respiration. Discuss the anatomy and physiology of the lungs and to know the different respiratory disorders. These are the four learning outcomes. The completion of the today's student or learner will be able to achieve this all four outcomes. Now next point, what do we mean by respiration? So respiration is nothing but the exchange of gases occurring between atmosphere and the body cell is known as the respiration, or the process of external respiration and internal respiration is known as the respiration, or inspiration and expirations joins together also called as the respiration. So now after, what are the different components of the respiratory system or the organs present in respiratory system? First one is the nose, also called as nasal cavity. Second one is the pharynx, larynx, trachea, bronchi, bronchioles, alveoli, lungs, then some pleural layers, intercostal muscle and diaphragm. These 11 are the different parts of the respiratory system. If we consider first 8 from nose to the lungs, it is generally involved in the process of respiration. Whenever the air passes to the nose, it goes into the pharynx, then larynx, trachea, bronchi, bronchioles, alveoli, and then finally into the lungs. Whenever the process breathe in or air in, that is known as inspiration. Just air out is known as expiration. So now the next point is the diagram of the respiratory system. We see what are the different organs present in the diagram of the respiratory system, starting from the nose, then larynx, pharynx, trachea, alveoli, bronchi. These all are the parts of the different respiratory system components. You should draw this structure for your better understanding. Now the next, what are the types of respiration? There are two types of the respiration. First one is internal and second one is external. What is the definition of external respiration? It is the process or exchange of gases between the atmosphere and the blood. This is the diagram of the external environmental air that goes into the lungs. That type of expiration is known as blood. Exchange of gases with the atmosphere is known as the respiration. Now the second one is the internal respiration. What is the definition of internal respiration? It is the exchange of gases between the blood and the cell. As the blood is contact with the cell or the exchange of gases between the blood and the cell. It means the alveoli goes to the air with these arteries and veins, and then the exchange of gases takes place between the cell and the blood. The next part is nasal cavity. Is the first organ of the respiratory system. It is also called as the sense of smell organ. These are the different functions of the nose and the nasal cavity. It is very essential to inhale the air, which is the starting part or the first part of the respiratory system. म्हणजेच आपल्या बॉडीमध्ये जी एअर यायला सुरू होते थ्रू दिस नसल कॅव्हिटी किंवा नोज, त्यालाच आपण रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टम मधला फर्स्ट ऑर्गन असं म्हणतो. And what is the functions of this nasal cavity? Filtration of air warming करायची आहे आणि moisten करायची. These are the three different functions of the nasal cavity. The next part is the pharynx. Pharynx is divided into the three parts. It is the nasopharynx, oropharynx and laryngeal. But it is very important, it is the in between, or it is the part of digestive as well as respiratory system. Nasopharynx means part of nasal, oro means the part of oral cavity, and laryngeal means part of the. These are the three different parts of the pharynx. Same functions, but there is two important functions to prevent the entry of pathogens into the body. Now next part is the larynx. Very important. It is also called as voice box or sound box of the respiratory system. जिथून साऊंड आपला तयार होतो तो पार्ट आहे लॅरिंक्स. एक्झाम मध्ये क्वेश्चन विचारलेला आहे, एनलिस्ट डिफरंट लॅरिंक्स ट्रॅकिया, एनलिस्ट डिफरंट कार्टिलेज प्रेझेंट इन द लॅरिंक्स. These are the different parts of the cartilage which is present in the structure of larynx. This is the structure of larynx and this is the function of the larynx. Function of sound, cartilage helps in the process of swallowing. What is next? Next, lungs containing two in numbers, bone shaped, right lobe and left lobe. Right lobe contains three and left lobe contains of the lungs. Now we are moving to the next. Very important is the process of respiration. It starts from the air in, it goes to the nose. The nose carries the air after filtration or moisture warming. It goes to the pharynx. When pharynx via larynx, it goes into the trachea, and the trachea, the air goes to the bronchi, bronchioles, the alveoli, and it goes to the different parts or different areas of the lungs. This is the process of respiration. This arrow indicates the air direction. Next, very important point is what is the physiology of respiration. Exam मध्ये खूप वेळा विचारलं. So it involves mainly breathing and exchange of gases. But generally, normal human beings मध्ये 12 ते 15 breaths होत असतात per minute. But this breathing is divided into three important parts. Number one is the inspiration, second is the expiration, and number three is the out. Yes, inspiration means air in, expiration air out, and last one is the release. If we see this diagram, it indicates ज्या वेळेला आपण air in घेतोय त्यावेळेला lungs बलून सारखे फुगत आहे, त्याची साईज एक्सपांड होते, वाढते. ज्या वेळेला आपण एअर आउट सोडतोय त्याच वेळेला ते लंग्स कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट होत आहेत किंवा त्यांची साईज रिड्यूस होते आणि एअर बाहेर येते. या दोन्ही प्रोसेस झाल्यानंतर तिसरी स्टेप असते पाऊस. What is the next? Very important. This is the table how to write the answer in your exam. You write the different parameters and you just differentiate between the expiration and inspiration. So what happened? The process which is taken in and the airflow in inspiration, blood to the cell. What happened in thoracic cavity? It's showing the expand thoracic cavity. Intercostal muscles मध्ये काय चेंज होतात? इंटरकॉस्टल मसल्स ज्या रिब्स मध्ये असतात ते कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट होत आहेत. डायफ्रॅम मध्ये काय होत आहे? डायफ्रॅम सुद्धा कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट होत आहे. प्रेशर ऑफ लंग्स काय होतं? प्रेशर ऑफ लंग्स सुद्धा रिड्यूस होतं. इन्स्पिरेशन व्यवस्थित वाचलं की नाही, ते प्रिफर केले की नाही, त्या अपोजिट आहे ते एक्सपायरेशन. कोणताही फॅक्टर कन्सिडर करा, आपण थोडासे कॅव्हिटी पासून फॅक्टर कन्सिडर करूयात. एक्सपायरेशन मध्ये फॅक्टर रिड्यूस होतोय, इंटरकॉस्टल मसल रिलॅक्स, डायफ्रॅम रिलॅक्स, and pressure of lung increases. This is the very important tip. You should write by pausing this video in your notebook. Then we are moving to the next part is what happen actually in exchange of gases. Whenever the exchange of gases process takes place, it's showing the diagram. Pulmonary circulation आपण बघितलो, हार्टमध्ये किंवा सीव्हीएस चॅप्टरमध्ये. त्यामध्ये काय होत होतं, ज्या वेळेला ब्ल्यू कलरचं ऑक्सिजन ब्लड बॉडीमध्ये येत होतं, रेड कलरचं घेऊन जात होतं, त्यावेळेला लंग्समध्ये काय व्हायचं की डिऑक्सिजनेटेड ब्लड पल्मोनरी आर्टरीजच्या घेऊन येत होत्या. ते लंग्समध्ये एक्सचेंज ऑफ गॅसेस झाल्यानंतर ऑक्सिजनेटेड ब्लड पुन्हा आपल्या बॉडीमध्ये लंग्स किंवा पल्मोनरी वेन्सनी पुन्हा आपल्या बॉडीमध्ये जात होतं, मीन्स हार्टकडे जात. मग इथं काय होतंय, इफ यू सी दिस डायग्राम, CO2 हा एअर मध्ये एक्सचेंज होतोय आणि O2 आपल्या ब्लड मध्ये मिक्स होतो. दिस टू डायग्राम्स म्हणजेच ऑक्सिजन जो आहे तो इन होतोय आणि कार्बन डायऑक्साईड जो आहे तो आउट. ह्याच प्रोसेसला एक्सचेंज ऑफ गॅसेस. आणि त्यावेळेस पल्मोनरी म्हणजेच ऑक्सिजन अल्व्हिओलाई मधला जो आहे त्याचा प्रेशर जास्त असतो, त्यामुळे एक्सचेंज ऑफ गॅसेस इझिली दिसत असतो. This is the process of expansion. If you pausing this video and write all these points, you'll get the very simple answer what happen exactly in exchange of gases. And the next point, what is the role of diaphragm in the mechanism of respiration? Diaphragm generally heartच्या bottom असते. काय करतात diaphragm during the inspiration and expiration process मध्ये contract and relax होतात. मी हायलाइटेड जे पॉइंट्स येलो कलर दिलेले आहेत ते जर तुम्ही वाचले तर तुम्हाला डिफरन्स लक्षात येईल. पण ऑलरेडी एक टेबल बघितलं होतं प्रिव्हियस स्लाइड मध्ये, तो टेबल ह्याच्याशी तुम्ही कम्पेअर करा, यू गेट द फुल नॉलेज इझी कम्पेअरिंग दिस टू. म्हणजे डायफ्रॅम हा अपवर्ड डायरेक्शनला उचलला जातो ड्युरिंग दी रेस्पिरेशन अँड इन्स्पिरेशन अँड एक्सपिरेशन. द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज what happened during the process of expiration and inspiration. सगळे पॉइंट्स व्यवस्थित वाचले तर तुमच्या लक्षात येईल. डायफ्रॅम कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट होतं म्हणजे अपवर्ड डायरेक्शनला उचललं जातं, इन्स्पायरेशन मध्ये एक्सपायरेशन मध्ये डाऊनवर्ड येतं. व्हॉट इज द व्हायटल कपॅसिटी? 5 डेफिनेशन्स खूप महत्वाच्या आहेत. फ्रिक्वेंटली MSBTच्या एक्झाम मध्ये विचारलेले आहेत, फ्रिक्वेंटली आस्क्ड क्वेश्चन्स. राईट, बाय पॉजिंग दिस व्हिडिओ इन युअर कॅपॅसिटी असेल, टायडल व्हॉल्यूम असेल, रेसिड्युअल व्हॉल्यूम असेल, इन्स्पायरेटरी रिझर्व आणि एक्सपायरेटरी रिझर्व व्हॉल्यूम असेल, सगळ्यांच्या नॉर्मल व्हॅल्यू अलॉंग विथ द डेफिनेशन्स खूप इम्पॉर्टंट आहे. नेक्स्ट, लास्ट, डिसऑर्डर्स ऑफ द रेस्पिरेशन. These are the different disorders. म्हणजे अस्थमा, नॅरोइंग ब्रॉन्काय, ब्रॉन्कोस्पाझम होत असल्यामुळे ब्रॉन्शियलमध्ये एअर जनरेट होत नाहीये, डिफिकल्टी इन ब्रीथिंग होतं. एनॉक्सिया, हायपॉक्सिया बोथ आर द अपोजिट टू इच अदर. डिसॅपनिया means the difficulty in breathing. Pneumonia means the inflammation of lungs due to enter the microorganism into the lungs. Bronchitis means the inflammation of bronchi. Tuberculosis is the chronic communicable type of disease caused by the causative agent is Mycobacterium tuberculosis. So this is the detail about the respiratory system. You write each and every point in your notebook for your exam point of view. Then you will get the revision during the exam time. Thank you so much. If you have any doubt regarding this point, you contact me or message me on chat box. Thank you so much. Patience listening.